All parameters are quickly adjusted with the hotkey button without need to touch the screen. The operation system includes the panel dial, 4 directional function buttons, and a manual button in the middle. Press the manual button in the middle to switch to the manual mode or express mode. When in the manual mode, the icon turns to orange and you can go for the secondary menu to adjust the parameter, otherwise it's in express mode. In manual mode, press the up and down button to choose different selection. Press the right button to enter the secondary menu. Rotate the dial to choose the icon. Then press the right button to confirm the setting. Press the left button to return the previous menu. Press the photo button to start taking photos. Press this button to start video shooting. Long press this button for 2 seconds to power on or off. The joystick is used to control the rotation of panels and tildes. It is effective when the ZP1 is in lock mode and follow mode, but it is ineffective while ZP1 is ongoing face tracking or object tracking. The big hand wheel is used for zooming and focus. Now the big hand wheel is used for focusing. The dial can also be used for zooming. The functions of the hand wheel and the dial can be changed with each other. Press the menu button in the middle to switch into the express mode. Then press the left button to switch to the function of the hand wheel and the dial with each other. In express mode, press the right button and rotate the dial to change the AU value. Press the up button to switch to the front and rear camera. Press the down button to enter or exit the album.